Today, I'm reviewing Anytype Chats, the messaging feature of the privacy-focused workspace app Anytype, and I'll explain whether it's a solid choice for private team communication in 2025. Anytype is an encrypted, local-first app that combines notes, docs, tasks, and now chat in one place. So instead of juggling separate tools for messaging and knowledge work, you can hold conversations right beside your shared content and files. This lets you create or edit objects like pages and to-dos directly from a chat window, share them instantly with teammates, and keep everything searchable in your workspace. The core idea behind Anytype Chats is strong data ownership and privacy, because everything you create stays end-to-end encrypted and local, meaning you control your encryption keys and your data syncs peer-to-peer between devices without relying on traditional cloud servers. Offline access and secure syncing are key parts of this design, so conversations and workspace changes can work even without internet, and the sync happens directly between participants when they're connected. In practice, users appreciate that chats sit beside documentation in the same environment, and how objects shared in chats immediately open for collaboration, reducing the need to switch between tools. However, some people note that chat features are still basic compared with dedicated messaging apps. Notifications can be inconsistent, and not everyone finds the chat indispensable yet. There's also a learning curve due to Anytype's object-based system and evolving interface, and some users report that local offline sync for media files can be frustrating without paid services. Overall, Anytype Chats is interesting for teams that prioritize privacy, local-first collaboration, and unified workflows rather than mainstream messaging alone, but it may feel early or limited if you need full messaging app features like rich notifications or advanced real-time team tools.